we want to find the derivative of this equation. Now, when we look at this, we can see that we have generally a power rule, but we have stuff inside of it. So we're going to have to do that modified chain rule / generalized power rule, whatever they're calling it, because we're going to take this down and we're going to subtract 1, like the power rule says, but then we're going to have to also take the derivative of the inside. Now, before I start anything, I'm going to rewrite this, and I'm going to rewrite this a little bit, and what I'm doing is I'm turning everything into exponents. So at this point, this radical here, I rewrote as x to the 1/2, so that when I get to the inside, I can apply chain rule there as well. Okay, so I bring down my 3/2, so this is f prime of x. Okay, I leave this as is, right? Okay, then I subtract 1. So I have, I'm not sure what I was writing here. So subtracting 2 over 2, I'm left with 1/2. Then I'm going to take the derivative of the inside. So here I bring down the 1/2. So I have 1/4 x minus 1/2. And then this is 0. So this is what I have. Now I would just do a little bit of cleanup. So let's see what I can sort out here. So I can bring these together. So I have 3/8. This is, I can move that down. And then this is that. Maybe that looks better, that looks worse. Either way, that's our answer. There are different ways to simplify it, but probably that's good enough for now. If you were going to go do something with it, you might want to try to clean it up a little bit. But hopefully you can see this. The big thing to remember with all of these is that, well, whatever we have in the inside, after we apply this rule, we then have to take the derivative of that inside. And if there's something inside the inside, you'd have to do it again. So you could have repeated derivatives if necessary as all part of this.